Ever looked at a stunning photo and wondered what makes it so special? Chances are it's all about the light. Light is the very essence of photography. Without it, there's no picture. In fact, the word photography literally means drawing or writing with light, if you ever wonder where the word came from. But it's not just about having light, it's about understanding and using it. Today, we're diving deep into the art of light, showing you how to turn harsh, ugly light into something soft and beautiful, and how to spot heavenly light to make your photos truly sing. We'll uncover how light affects your images and the simple, practical techniques to master it, transforming your everyday shots into captivating works. Sounds good, doesn't it? Light is the single most important element in photography. It determines the mood, the texture, the colors, and the overall feel of each and every image we take. It's a tool you can control and work with. Learning to see and understand light quality, from harsh direct sunlight to soft diffuse shade, is crucial. Mastering light direction, whether it's hitting your subject from the front, the side, the back, above, below, blah-de-blah-de-blah, helps you create shape and depth in a photo. By understanding light, you transform everyday scenes into extraordinary photographs. It's all about working with what you've got, and it's free.